Hello everybody, it's the 14th of December 2020 today, and longer term subscribers may recognize the octopus here, as I affectionately call this tree. If you're a newer viewer and you hold true to the fact that only the best and most majestic Japanese trees should have a name, well, you'll find that I don't hold to that. I give some of my trees names if I feel like it, not if I don't, but this one, mainly because of this root base, just reminds me of an octopus. Let's give you a little shot of that. Yeah, so there we go. This section and these sort of tentacles remind me of an octopus on the seafloor, hence I call the tree the octopus. Just giving it a little bit of clean up from some of this moss that is growing on the surface and around the roots, which I don't like. I've said this before, I know, so I'm sorry if I'm boring, but you never know when a video will be someone's first video, and in that case they may be wondering why I'm removing the moss. I just don't like the look of it. Plus I find it, if it's wrapped around the trunks and wrapped around the roots of a tree, it can rot or induce rot into the tree itself, which obviously none of us want. But generally I just don't like the aesthetics of moss. So there we go. But anyway, there's your octopus, replete with all its tentacles scurrying across the seafloor. Okay, so that's basically just gone around chopping off these long growths that were sticking out at the top, all over the place, just bringing it back into kind of a triangular shape of tree. I've left a couple of these long pieces, like here and here and here, and if we move you in a little bit closer, you'll have a clearer view of why. That's because they've got these big fat flower buds on, and that's one of the main reasons I grow this tree. Apart from that glorious base, which I love, it's a Viburnum tinus, and it has these gorgeous flowers that have a little bit of scent to them, but it is just really nice to have a flowering tree this time of year. As I say, it's the middle of December, and this will continue flowering now. Every time we have a bit of a frost, some of the flowers will be hit, but provided we don't get too much frost, the flowers can go on for quite a long period of time. So, yeah, a very quick video, but I just wanted to share those delightful flowers and talk a little bit about setting this tree up for the spring. So I'm gonna just remove another couple of little branches and some buds that are growing on the inside of this curve, which they will just grow back across the trunk and they're no good. But yeah, a very pretty tree when it's in flower. Flowers start pink and then flow to white. At some point I'm going to have to do something about this. I've got a lump here where I've got a distinct bit of reverse taper, so that's going to have to be dealt with, and it may be that I'm going to just chop it back here and let grow a new top, as I've done once before, or it may be that I'll chop it here. That's for spring, a decision to be made. Pull out that little weed, but yeah, so that's it. That's the octopus. A little bit of clean up work, get rid of some of these buds in the wrong directions. The tree can then concentrate on growing the right ones in the right direction, and maybe even putting out some more. So there you go, that's it for this tree. As I say, just a very short one. Do the YouTube, like, subscribe, share, most of all comment. It's always nice to hear what people think. And then please do take care of yourselves. Stay safe, everybody.